Hey guys, it's Jeff from PackGeek. I had time for a little Friday night break tonight, and I happened to get off work and get home and find these on my doorstep. These are 2019, 2020 Optic first off the line boxes. I think I'm one of the first people to get them. Obviously, I live in Dallas, so I'm pretty close to Panini's offices. I don't know if they're shipping from there, but I'm guessing they probably are, or at least close to there. So that helped me out on getting these early. So with that said, there were a lot of talk about these. What do the cards look like? Are the boxes loaded? Are they not? So I figured I would take one or take two for the team tonight and let you guys see what these look like. So yeah, oh, you know what? I've got the breakdown here. So there is one rated rookie signature purple stars or rated rookie signature purple velocity. There's one purple stars autograph. There are 3 base or rated rookie hollows and 2 base or rated rookie purple stars. Did I read that right? Yeah, that's 7. Okay, 7 cards in the box, so 2 autos and 3 hollows per box on average, so it's not a guarantee. All right. Let's get these things open. Again, that's what the box looks like before I shred this thing. Okay. I just watched the Mavericks lose. Very depressing. Sad. They should have won. They're without Luka, but man, they gave this game away. Okay, got that off my back. Okay, here we go. 1 pack. All right, so the first hollow here is our guy Bull Bull. It's a good start, rookie hollow. Okay, Cody Zeller, LaMarcus Aldridge hollow. First auto is Cameron Johnson, rookie dominator, signatures. This is out of 29. Then I have here, this is out of 49, Jalen McDaniels auto, rated rookie auto. I'm guessing these are the purple stars. These are, again, out of 29, Rudy Gobert. And Nasir Little. Not a very good box. So like I said, I'm taking one for the team. I'm leaving all the big hits for you guys. Well, most of the big hits. Hopefully we'll have something better in this next box. All right, 1 down, 1 to go. Okay, hollows, Jaylen Brown, Clint Capella, and Goga, this guy. Those are hollows. Okay, ooh, another Goga, rated rookie. That is not what I wanted. And our other auto here, another rookie dominator signature, Bruno Fernando, This is out of 29. Boy, did I kill it with this box. Got a purple out of 29 of this guy, whose name I'm not going to take a stab at. And Zach LaVine. Oof, rough. So, yeah. Brutal 2-box break, but that just means there's a lot of hits out there for you guys. So, thanks for watching, fellas and ladies. Have a good night.